Save plot to image file instead of displaying it using Matplotlib. This displays the figure in a GUI. But how do I instead save the figure to a file, e.g. foo.png?
The solution is
when using matplotlib.pyplot.savefig, the file format can be specified by the extension. That gives a rasterized or vectorized output respectively. In addition, there is sometimes undesirable white space around the image, which can be removed with. Note that if showing the plot, plt.show should follow plt.savefig. Otherwise, the file image will be blank.
If you don't like the concept of their current figure, do. As others have said, plt.savefig, or figure1.savefig, is indeed the way to save an image. However, I've found that in certain cases the figure is always shown. E.g., with Spider having plt.ion, interactive mode equals on. I work around this by forcing the figure window to close with plt.close, figure_object. See documentation. This way I don't have a million open figures during a large loop. Example usage. You should be able to reopen the figure later if needed to with fig.show. Didn't test myself.
È utile watch, perché se lo